Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, Philippines. Good evening, USA. Today is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. So today is the first of the month, the 1st of November 2025, and it is also the Feast of the Dead, All Souls Day. All Souls Day, Mama, or All Saints Day?
All Saints din yan.
What?
And also.
Okay. Di ba baliktad? Okay, All Saints Day and All Souls Day.
Yeah.
I don't know which one came first. I think it's All Saints Day today and tomorrow's All Souls Day. But anyway, there are 2 days that we're celebrating the celebration of life, right? Okay, so we are preparing flowers like this. You see flowers. We have flowers. Okay. And we are going to use um, what do you call this? It's the stem of banana because it is biodegradable.
Yeah.
Diba? It is not going to make our
Cemetery.
cemetery dirty. And what else, Mom? Okay. My mom is arranging the flower. She is in a good mood today. She doesn't have tupak today. So, we are
And come to Pater.
okay. I got this yesterday.
Pero baka
See?
ito.
Okay, I got it from yesterday. This one is 3 for 50 pesos.
Yeah.
And then I also got baby breath and chrysanthemum. I got it for overall it's 500 pesos. So look at this. Overall it's 500 pesos worth of flowers. It's sulit.
Ano mo ba nagpapay to yung?
Yes. So our All Souls and All Saints Day is similar to the Cinco de Mayo, but I think they're a little bit more festive. Ours is more on family reunion and gathering lots of what is the right word I'm looking for? Family reunion, like families who's working in the city or in Manila, they would travel to the province to visit their loved ones in heaven, right? Sometimes they would bring guitar, they would bring food, eat, I am probably going there this afternoon and my parents will go there tonight, so that's about it. Yeah, look. It smells good. Ayan. What else? What else do I need to learn about araw ng mga kaluluwa?
Mga patay.
Araw ng mga patay rather. Araw ng mga patay. Ayan. We just woke up, so okay. And we also have a handmade. What is this? A handmade flowers. Where did you get this from? How much? 100, all of it? From who? And my mom bought this as well. It's 100 pesos. It's handicraft. Look at this. What is it made of?
Fuzzy wire.
Fuzzy wire. Okay. Wow. It reminded me of Gracie Boo because Gracie Boo likes to make arts like this. Okay, alright. Ayan. 100 pesos lang ito, mga friends. Ayan. Ay, wow. Ayan, oh.
Bakal na.
Nagali, Sarah?
Mura, nag-order lang si Papang Bugs ang mother.
Okay. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. It's a beautiful day today. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. Last night I was stargazing last night. It's beautiful. You know, it's like counting diamonds in the sky. But stars are better than diamonds, right? Okay, I'm gonna go up and I'm going to look at the sky. Ayan, akyat tayo sa bubong. Ayan. Oh my God. Ito oh. Ito ang itsura ng Pilipinas ngayong araw ng mga patay. O, diba ang ganda? My mom is really good when it comes to decorating. This is her strength. Right? This is her special skills. Magaling siyang magborda, magaling siyang manahe, magaling siyang gumawa ng bakal, magaling siyang mag-flower arrangement,
Magaling siya maglaba.
magaling siyang maglaba. Yan yung hindi niya talaga gini-give up. Right? Ayan. Oh. Ayan. Okay. Look at that. Wow. Mamaya naman, I will take a video later. Happy Halloween. Happy All Saints and All Souls Day. Philippines.